The evidence-based design assistant is used to gain insights into different footbridge design alternatives in early project stages. Basic geometric properties are used as input to find similar completed projects. The evidence landscape gives an overview of the projects present in the database. Predictions for the key performance indicators cost, construction time and carbon footprint are computed based on the input parameters and the selected similar projects. The Warnings tab displays the selected similar projects along with their KPI values. Safety issues during construction would be displayed here too. If the construction safety of a specific bridge typology would benefit from prefabrication and the site does not allow for this technique, a warning is provided to the user. Based on the bridge typology, recommendations for basic dimensions can be provided. In this case, the pylon height of a cable-stayed bridge is deduced from the main span length.